friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I'm sharing a Walmart haul with you. I don't always go to Walmart, so sometimes you may see grocery hauls that are from our local grocery store. And the first thing that I'm going to show you is this water. I always buy the Aquafina when I can get it, and that's a 32 bottle pack. And I always have to have my diet green tea, and I like the mixed berry, so I always buy 2 of those because I can't get it where I'm at, and I usually have to get that at Walmart. But I get the regular ketchup, and I like the no sugar added ketchup, at least, and it tastes the same, it's just less sugar. And Italian olive salad, some beef broth, and I like the less sodium when I can find it. And I used that to make some beef stew the other day. I also like the large lima beans, and I make butter beans with this, which is basically what they are, the Camellia brand. I buy kiwis every single week. My husband takes those to work. Disclaimer, I am not a doctor, but those have helped him lower his triglycerides. These and avocados are known to do that, so it's a good fruit for that, and loaded with vitamin C. Some garlic cloves and a bag of lemons, which were cheaper to buy this way than buying one each. 2 things of celery, which I used for the beef stew. Some lean ground beef, so I got 2 pounds of that. And to make my beef stew, I bought the chuck roast, and I always buy a chuck roast to do that one particular recipe I have. And I think that recipe I'll link it down below. I think I have that. I made that on my channel for a video last year, so I'll try and see if I can find it and link it. Pita bread, I like this as a low carb option, so when I do hamburgers and things like that, it's really good. It's only, I think, 6 carbs, because they have a different one that has 7, I think, but this one has 6 carbs, and it's healthy for you. But I also just cut it in half, just like you would, the pita bread, and I usually take and put my hamburgers in that, and I usually cut the hamburger in half and do that. But I also like these low carb tortillas. Those are great for snacking with some cheese in that, or anything really. And the whole grain bread, I like this Pepperidge Farm bread, 15 grain. My husband takes that to work usually for his sandwiches. And I got some bunny hamburger buns for hamburgers that we're going to make, and an Italian loaf of bread. And this was in a previous video that I made for the mini Muffalettas, and I'll link that one below also. And ciabatta bread. Now I like this Ezekiel bread. It's flourless, and it's really healthy for you. It has a lot of great grains in this. And I also was able to find the raisin bread. I'm not always able to get this one there. It's cinnamon raisin bread, and this one's really, really good. I like that. Country Crock plant butter, I like that to spread on there. And just regular butter also, so I cook with both. And this is a really good salsa. If you haven't seen this at Walmart, that's the only place I've seen it, and it's really good. It's a peach salsa, peach and mango, I believe, and it is a delicious one. It's very fresh. Some baby carrots, some provolone cheese, and that, like I said, this was for a video I did. Salami, I believe, and some ham and mozzarella, and that's the ham, the smoked ham that I had bought, and some chicken for sandwiches, and I'll usually freeze that. Just some disposable razors. I usually use the Chlor-Tabs because I have sinus issues, so that's what I get that for. I always stock up on that generic Excedrin to have, and I needed some hand soap, so they had the Method, and I got that. And I always keep this on hand, NyQuil, and I usually buy the generic, it works just as well, and the Dayquil, and I usually will throw that in my purse just to have on hand, just in case I start having some sinus issues or anything like that. And the ZzzQuil is really good for those nights that you just can't get to sleep. And this body wash was only $2.60 something, so a good buy on that. Some spray and wash and some Gain beads, and those are good in the laundry. I love those. Some red velvet cake mix, and that'll be in an upcoming video. Some nut thins, and my husband takes those to work instead of chips. They're a lot healthier, so those are good to snack on. And I bought these 2.5 gallon jumbo bags because I like to make the oyster crackers seasoned with the ranch dressing, so you need a large bag for that, and I like those. Cling wrap, and they used to sell those in a 200 square foot. They don't do that anymore. And I like the press and seal, but I buy 2 of those now since they don't have the 200, because it seems like I run out of it so fast. Some TP and some napkins, and that is a pack where it has 2 packs in it. Some Red Baron pizza, and we had that for supper that night because I got home after 9, so it was just a quick and easy thing to do. I buy the chicken Alfredo sometimes, and that's really a quick and easy meal just to put in the oven, and I use that when I work late. I like the Atkins bars, and I try to bring those to lunch with me as a snack. Stevia in the raw, I put that in my coffee. Some cran raisins, and I try to get the 50% less sugar, and you will always see a pineapple in my videos because I always get one once a week. And these are toasted onion and garlic potato seasoning, McCormick, and these are the Kinders or Kinders, but I always say Kinders, and I just picked up 2 of those. 5-pound bag of red potatoes, which went in the stew, and 2 12-packs of zero sugar 7-Up. If this is the type of video you'd like to see from me every now and then, please let me know down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. And I hope everyone has a blessed day, and God bless y'all, and thank y'all for watching.